I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Rav4 Faster easy method. Begin with a simple checklist. Inspect intake and air filter, verify exhaust flow, and confirm spark plugs are in good condition. Next, check tire pressure, tire condition, and alignment to reduce drag and improve handling. Finally, consider bolt-on upgrades and a conservative ECU tune to safely add power while keeping the car reliable. To start, focus on airflow because engines need to breathe to make more power. Replace a dirty air filter and test with a reusable performance element if desired. A less restrictive catback exhaust or free-flowing intake can improve torque and throttle response without major cost. Always check for vacuum leaks and tighten clamps so gains are consistent, and keep modifications simple to preserve daily driving comfort and fuel economy. Wheels and tires make a huge difference for perceived speed and real acceleration. Choose lighter wheels or prioritize high grip, low rolling resistance tires, and maintain the correct pressure for maximum efficiency. Align the suspension to reduce drag and ensure power goes to the ground cleanly. When you want more power, opt for a conservative ECU tune that adjusts timing and fueling safely, rather than aggressive maps that risk engine stress or poor drivability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.